What's up, guys? In this video, we will talk about that burning question: where is cryptocurrency a trap, or is it an opportunity going to 2026? I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, guys, so in this video, we will be checking out two websites, which is the Ad Hoc News and the coinmarketcal.com as well. The link to this will be in the description of the video. That way you could also do your own research when you watch this. So based on the analysis from early 2026, the cryptocurrency market is already widely viewed as a high stakes environment that functions simultaneously as a significant opportunity as well as a potential trap. Now, in my honest opinion, guys, cryptocurrency is not for the faint of heart. Just like any other trading platforms out there, be it Forex, be it stock, you should be able to know that you could take the hit, right? And you have to only invest money that you can afford to lose. And of course, you always have to do your own research. That way you are not just second guessing on your trade. So outcomes are basically increasingly determined by an investor's time horizon, discipline, and their approach to risk management. Now, the market is defined by deeper institutional participation, more mature infrastructure, and that heightened volatility that is driven by the whale behavior and the algorithmic trading. So this dynamics has already created an unforgiving landscape for short-term speculation. It also offers what many consider as a general accumulation window for that long-term participants. Now, on the opportunity side, okay, so let's start with the opportunity side. Structural growth is actually becoming more visible. Spot Bitcoin ETFs have firmly integrated Bitcoin into traditional finance, with the institutional and sovereign titles expanding their exposure, right? So real-world asset tokenization, particularly that U.S. Treasury instruments, are also scaling rapidly, and it reinforces cryptocurrency's role in the global capital market. So following that 2024 halving, 2026 is largely seen as a consolidation phase, with some of the models suggesting the foundation of a long-term super cycle. Now, at the same time, technological maturity is also shifting focus toward that utility-driven projects and AI-integrated crypto systems, as well as that more sophisticated on-chain gaming. So stable coins are also expanding toward multi-trillion-dollar market, and they are supported by the growing bank participation. So I mean, if you are new to cryptocurrency, guys, you already know what Bitcoin is, but you should also know that there are tons, I mean, thousands and thousands or hundreds of thousands of altcoins out there as well. You have meme coins, you have coins that have utility as well. You have like an ocean of like different projects out there, but you gotta be careful, okay? You gotta always take notes and always do your own research before starting to invest in whatever project that is, even in Bitcoin. I mean, in cryptocurrency in general, guys, okay, you can actually, you know, be a millionaire overnight, or you could be bankrupt overnight as well. So that is how volatile the market is. So you gotta tread lightly, especially if you are still new in the business. Now, conversely, guys, the market remains a trap for undisciplined traders. Okay, so like what I always say, you have to know what you're getting yourself into. Have that proper education, get those webinars. There's a lot of videos that, you know, teach you how to do market analysis, do technical analysis, and all of that. So high leverage, sharp price wicks, and range-bound volatility frequently triggers that liquidation cascades. And regulatory uncertainty, as well as that macroeconomic pressures, can still cause that abrupt drawdowns. Now, while the altcoin sector continues to experience that aggressive pruning, with only a small number of leaders outperforming the market. Okay, now guys, of course, so you have a lot of different sources in the internet, but again, it all boils down to how good you are, how educated you are with cryptocurrency, because you already know. I mean, there are tons of opportunities, but there are also tons of traps out there that, you know, will hinder your growth, that will hinder your profitability. But you know, strategically, 2026 rewards patience. Long-term investors are emphasizing accumulation, diversification, and liquidity, while the successful participation also increasingly favors risk control over that speculative excess. So again, guys, so link to this references will be in the description of the video. Really good reads. But again, there are still a lot of different articles out there. It's just up to you on how you do your own research. But you know, I am hoping that you will be able to get the most profitability in 2026, be it in cryptocurrency or in any other ways possible. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next amount. Peace.